Hi everyone, welcome back. This is part 2 of the new Risen Legacy collection called I'll Be Home for Christmas. These are the other two colors in the collection from yesterday. So this is called Wrapped in Joy. It's a chunky / irregular shaped glitter with gold and reds in there. It's super pretty and I love how it pairs with this next one called From the Heart. Now this is stunning. This is one of those beautiful shimmers and it's a red and the shimmer in here is unreal. Now check out this red. It's not too dark, it's not too light. It's like the perfect retro Christmas red, which goes perfect with this collection. Now look at these two together. Aren't they fabulous? They go so well together and they complement each other really well with that gold accent. And then we're going to be doing press-ons today doing the gel method. So if you saw yesterday's video, we did the other two colors in this collection, which more are your aqua and your gold and your teal. So this collection is called the I'll Be Home for Christmas collection, and it is a 50s Christmas inspired. So it's very awesome. So the four colors together are beautiful. I definitely need to do a mani with all four because this collection is super pretty. Now yesterday's video, if you did watch it and if you like any of these colors in this collection, you can get them as a whole collection or individually. I know that Pining for You, that beautiful shimmer, once that one's gone, it's gone because she doesn't have any more of like the ingredients to make that one. On today's live when she was swatching them, she did mention that. So if you are eyeing up anything from this collection, definitely snatch it up while you can. So for today's video, we are going to do that press on, and as you can see here, I'm using some short coffin nails. You don't have to do press ons, you can do this mani any way you like. For my holiday manis, I really like doing press-ons because then I can reuse them and they're just super fun. Now to apply a press-on, you can do several different things, or a couple different things I should say. So I like to apply my press-ons with these little adhesive like glue stickers, and I will go ahead and link everything in the description box below. Now those little adhesive stickers, I can get like 2 days wear with those stickers. You can also use your dip top coat, so you would apply that to your entire nail and then press the nail down as well. That is an option as well. That's not going to give you a lot of longevity. That's going to give you like 2 to 3 days wear, depending on how much you're washing your hands, if you're showering or doing dishes or stuff like that. You can use nail glue, and then if you're using a sheer color, you can use your jelly tip glue. I did try it with a sheer color and it did work. I do not know if it would work with like a really dark color because that dark color needs to be able to, when you're curing that jelly tip glue, that dark color is kind of going to get in the way of curing that actual jelly tip glue. But sheer color did work. Okay, so check out From the Heart. This is a beautiful red and that shimmer is unreal. I know I talked about the shimmers yesterday on and on, so we're not going to go back into it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and let you enjoy this mani process, and then I'll pop back in at the end. Alright, check out this mani. I really like how it turned out. I think that glitter is amazing with the irregular shapes with the red and the true gold in there. Super pretty, and it really complements that red shimmer. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's video, including everything you need to make your own press-ons, in the description box below. Definitely consider subscribing, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!